Hi, my name's Matt. I'm the CEO of HireWindow. Today I'm going to give a few quick tips on how to get prepared for your first job, how to make sure you are ready for your graduate role. So I'm going to dive straight into it. Any questions, hit us up on Twitter, Instagram, wherever you want. My first tip is, if you know where you're going to be working, if you already secured a role, to do the industry research. Basically understand some terminology, understand some industry trends, get yourself ahead of the competition. One of my biggest tips for starting your first role as well would be to set your routines and your habits nice and early on. So it's going to be chaotic, it's going to be exhausting, your first sort of full-time, real, proper experience of the workplace. So, make sure you know when you're going to get some time for exercise classes, or when you're doing even things like chores, so that your life has a bit of structure. Otherwise it can get really, really tiring really, really quickly. Definitely start to develop some commercial awareness, even if that's at the most basic level, because that is likely, even if you've done internships a year in industry, that is the one part of your skill set as such, your knowledge base, that will be perhaps most lacking at the very beginning of your career. Another top tip I would have is to practice your commute as well. So it's all well and good looking on an app and being told it's going to take this long to get to the office, or take this train, etc. But you'd be surprised how few trains arrive on time and how much longer walking routes can take than you think they will. So I would do a practice run of your commute as well. And I guess my final tip would be to make sure you've noted down exactly what it is you want to achieve in your role as well. So you're very clear what you want to contribute to the organisation, what's important to you, and from day one you can focus on absolutely smashing it out of the park and making sure you're making the most of the opportunity. So those are 5 very quick tips. There are 20 more I could give you, but hopefully that is useful for now. Let us know what you think. We're on Twitter or on Instagram, and check out HireWindow.com.